5 to 6 hour survey on the book of Deuteronomy points your students to God's faithfulness and the greater story of redemption through Christ. Through hands-on projects and interactive discussions, your students won't just hear the story, they'll engage with it. Students will peek inside Deuteronomy 1 through 3 and see how Moses used transitional words in his retelling of God's faithfulness during their 40 years of desert wanderings. Then they'll come to see the significance of Deuteronomy 6, 4 through 9, also known as the Shema, and how the Jewish people take these verses literally as they post it on their doorframes, wear it on their forehead, and bind them around their hands. Patterns and instructions are included for students to make their own and practice their placement. The Promised Land News is a special edition on the death of their leader Moses. This newspaper-style retelling of Moses' legacy is a clever way to inform your students of these important events, commissioning Joshua, viewing the Promised Land from Mount Nebo, and the burial of Moses. As a wrap-up to this survey of Deuteronomy, students learn that Jesus quoted Deuteronomy 3 times during his temptations in the wilderness, and we tie this to his greatest commandment, to love God with all your heart, your soul, and mind. Students are brought to Ezekiel 36:26, from which they create a tactile poster comparing hearts of stone and hearts of flesh, ones that are soft toward God and want to obey him, ones that only come through Jesus. As faithful as Moses was to God, and as much as Moses loved the Israelites, he still could not keep the people from sinning. Israel needed an ultimate prophet, one that could change the hearts of the people from hearts of stone to hearts of flesh.